Okay, so while the tube is inflated, what we want to do is locate the area. We get some soap and water, spray it, and see right here, it's where the problem's at. See that? Okay. So, in order to fix this now, what we got to do is, okay, what we're going to do is use the vacuum and use something flat so we can get the air out. And the way we're going to do that, this right here, so valve goes in and out. So you want to make sure that you press this in, it sucks it out. Now, so what we did here is we sucked the air out. We wanted to um, create a suction, and we're going to do the same thing with this one. So, okay, so now that it's all deflated, um, we vacuumed the air out. So now it's like there's a suction. It's better to install this while it's down like this than inflated because when it's inflated, it's pushing everything out. But right now, the suction is like sucking everything in. So methane really, really good with alcohol because the soap will keep it from bonding. So you really want to really, really clean it out. This is alcohol. How Brian, can you hold this up? Now with this, we're gonna put a coat of our glue after we cleaned it with alcohol real good. And this glue is actually recommended for PVC, which we have right there. So you want to put a nice thick coat on it around there. You might as well, it's and then we'll check it here. Let it dry up, cure real good, and it should be a good product. Okay, now what we're gonna do is air it back up and test it to see if we stopped the leaks. If we didn't, then we go back, we do the same procedure. Okay, so we inflate this right now, the top tube to check it or upside down. So what we do, we put soap on it. Now, some of the suds will go down and it'll look like it's coming up. But if you look at it, uh, our it stopped leaking. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that suck down the tube, apply your glue, let it dry off. On these right here, real critical. Let 24 hours go by before you inflate it and double check it. And that should be it. Okay. Now to put the cups up, what we want to do is clean the surface real good with alcohol on the cup and on the tube itself. And of course, you want to put a piece of tape so you don't go gluing beyond if my tape stays. You're going to do the top and the boat itself. Way deep in there. Okay. Do you have any more? Haul both surfaces, the cup and the material. You do want to put a piece of tape so that way it doesn't go beyond that. Beyond that. And to be honest with you, you can also do the same to the cup. So it looks crooked. You can do to the cup Okay, now we add our glue to it. Make sure you put plenty of it. Okay, after we let it dry for 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and apply this on here. Now the trick is rolling it into it. So I want to take this off here. I left the tape just so I can see where I was going with it.